using the internet right now, but do you actually know what it? Every day, you scroll through apps, watch videos, send messages, and search for answers. It all feels instant and simple. But behind the screen, something much bigger is happening. A system so powerful, it connects people and devices all around the world in seconds. Most people use it every day, but never really understand it. So, what exactly is the internet? The internet is a global network that connects billions of devices. These devices include phones, computers, servers, and even smart devices in your home. Instead of working alone, these devices are connected and can communicate with each other. They send and receive information constantly. You can think of the internet as a massive system made up of smaller networks. Each network connects to another, forming one giant structure. That's why it's often called a network of networks. Let's make this easier to understand. Imagine a huge city. Every house in that city represents a device. The roads connecting those houses represent the internet. Cars travel on those roads, carrying messages from one house to another. Now imagine billions of houses connected by millions of roads. That's what the internet is like, a massive system that allows information to move from one place to another. The internet didn't always exist. In the past, computers couldn't communicate with each other. They were isolated machines. Scientists wanted a way to share information between computers, especially across long distances. So they began creating networks. At first, these networks were small and limited. Over time, more networks were created and connected together. As technology improved, these connections became faster and more reliable. Eventually, all these networks formed what we now call the internet. Today, it connects people, businesses, and systems across the entire world. Now, let's break down how the internet actually works. Whenever you do something online, like opening a website, your device sends a request. This request travels through the internet to another computer called a server. A server is a powerful machine that stores websites, apps, and data. When the server receives your request, it processes it and prepares the information you asked for. Then, it sends that information back to your device. But here's the key part. The data isn't sent as one large piece. Instead, it's divided into tiny pieces called data packets. Each packet contains part of the information along with instructions about where it should go. These packets travel across the internet through different paths. They may pass through routers, cables, and networks in different locations. Even though they take different routes, they all arrive at your device. Once they arrive, your device reassembles them instantly, creating the full web page, video, or message. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you click on a video. Your device sends a request to a server. The server finds the video and splits it into thousands of small data packets. These packets travel across the internet at high speed. In less than a second, your device receives them and starts playing the video. That's why everything feels instant, even though a lot is happening behind the scenes. So how does the internet physically reach your device? It uses different technologies working together. Fiber optic cables send data as light signals at extremely high speeds. Underground cables connect cities and regions. Massive cables under the ocean connect continents. Wi-Fi allows your devices to connect wirelessly at home. Mobile networks let your phone access the internet almost anywhere. All of these systems work together to deliver information to you quickly and efficiently. You might wonder why all of this happens so quickly. The answer is speed and smart design. Data travels incredibly fast, sometimes close to the speed of light. Also, the internet automatically finds the fastest path for data to travel. This allows websites, videos, and messages to load in just seconds. So the next time you go online, remember this. You're not just tapping a screen. You're connecting to a global network that spans the entire world, a system built from millions of devices working together. Now, you don't just use the internet, you understand it.